If you're experiencing issues with syncing your CS2 account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and boost your account sync. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the server and may resolve any temporary sync problems. Step 3. Update game client. Make sure that your game client is up to date. Check for any available updates and install them, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Step 4. Verify game files. Use the game platform's feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to the game's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.